Kelvin Momo is one of the biggest names in the Amapiano scene, known for his deep bass lines, his Jazzy chord progression, and that private school vibe. I've been listening to his latest album, Itsako, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create a beat in that signature Momo style. Let's dive in. So most of the songs that are in the album have a clap and tap drum sequence. So to achieve this, I created the clap and tap drum sequence, and here's how it sounds. So to break it down, we have a kick, open hat, clap, then some tambourine, and then percussion, and another clap, another open hat, then this percussion thingy. Okay, moving on, we have three shakers actually. Then from there I added these other two shakers. Then to make the percussion more strong, I added another clap and tap sequence, but it's in a form of a loop. Yeah, so now we're going to move on to the chord progression. So Kelvin Momo, as you guys know, he's known for those jazzy chord progressions. So I'm gonna break down the chord progression that I came up with. So the first chord is a D minor 9. Then your second chord is a C6-9 sus4. Then from there you can play major 7th or a major 9 of the B flat. Or we can also add the major 7-13. But let's stick to the major 7. And then your last chord is it's a G minor 7. So that's basically the chord progression. And a preset that I used is from a pack called Vintage Keys, and it's actually free. Here's how it sounds. If you can listen closely to most of the songs, there's a high-pitched string that is played throughout most of the songs. So I played these strings in the key of C sharp, the initial songs in the key of F. So you just need to change this thing. Yeah, and this preset is from Nexus called Chillpad 1. Moving on to the next section, a popular instrument that is used is the bass guitar. So I can't play the bass guitar, so I tried to play it on the keyboard, and I hope it sounds as realistic as possible. Yeah, so basically the bass guitar is following the chords, nothing hectic. And then this part, it just interchanges between the lower octave and the higher octave. Then from there, I came across this loop on Splice, and here's how it sounds. Okay, another cool thing that I've heard is the double kick. Yeah, it's used a lot. Then next we have a grand piano. It's playing the same chords that I showed you guys. Here's the preset for the bass. Then the preset for the grand piano is the Nexus Grand Piano Soft. Introduce some shakers and then a melody using a very soft pad. The sound that was used was the chill pad. Then I added another layer called China pad, and here's how they sound together. Let's play it with the rest of the yeah, so the second part of this melody changes, and now it plays two notes. We have a soft pad that is being introduced, and it's automated. It's chill pad too. It's automated here, and let me play it. If you don't know how to do an automation, you basically highlight the part that you want to automate. Then from there, you take the sound that you want to automate, and in our case, it's Nexus #3. Then I moved it to the mixer, and from there, you right click and then create automation clip, and it's gonna give you this, and then you can play around with the automation clip. If you listen closely to some of the songs, they have melodies playing in the background, and you can achieve this by using arpeggios. Let me play you this one and let's see how it sounds. It creates a great build-up to the bass line or to the section that's about to come. We have a new section, and this section is the log drum section. So one thing that I've noticed, Kelvin Momo limited the use of that normal log drum. Now he uses that old log drum that was used, or that is used by the musical chef, Dem Tuda and the likes. So we have two layers of the log drum. So basically the bass line is still playing what the bass guitar is playing. Yeah. Then we have a sub, and then we have those two log drum presets. This is the preset. So that section also has another shaker. Shakers are basically used to add more energy to the song as the song goes or as the song progresses. let's listen to the section and let's see how it sounds. We are at the bridge, and the bridge switch off all the percussion elements, the shakers. Then I took the chord progression that we created and then I removed just one chord, and it created a different feel. And then I paired it with a very popular sound found in GMS called analog bass 4. Then the second part of the bridge, it goes back to the original chord progression, and then that's about it. That's about it for today's video. I hope you guys learned a few things, and please let me know if I did a good job in the comment section, and let me play you guys the song, and catch me in the next video.